So I see here that 5 more people each year is what's happening, and right now they provide service to 32 people. So for part A, to write a recursive rule, we basically expect every term of the sequence to come about by taking the previous term, remember that we call that A sub n minus 1, and adding 5 to it because they expect an increase of 5 every year. To write the first 5 terms of the sequence, we can just keep adding 5, but we have to have a starting place. They told us right now that they serve 30. So we would expect the next year to serve 37, an increase of 5. The next year to serve 42, an increase of 5. Then 47, an increase of 5. And then 52, an increase of 5. And there are our first 5 terms of the sequence. To write an explicit rule for this sequence, remember, we want our first term plus n minus 1 times our common difference, which in this case was 5. You can leave your rule like this, or you can simplify it by distributing the 5. And so then we'll have our explicit rule. Notice the difference between the explicit and the recursive rule, that the recursive rule is basically saying add 5 from the previous one to get the next. And the explicit rule allows you to plug in a value for n to obtain a sub n. So then part D says how many people should they expect to serve in the 20th year. You basically want to know what the 20th spot of the sequence is. So we can take our rule and we can plug 20 in for n. And this will give us 100 plus 27. So the 20th year, I would expect them to be serving 127 people.